Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. DirectX is not supported on your system for Concord, the Concord game. So let's go ahead and start. So the first thing to do is to check your DirectX version. You can press Windows R to open up the run screen and type in dx-diag, that's DirectX and diag. Press OK, and this should pop up. Let's go ahead. So as you can see, the DirectX version that's being used is DirectX 12 on my own PC, which is fine, and Concord should work. But just in case yours is showing something else, these are the ways you can resolve it. Your first option is to update your Windows computer. So you can go ahead to settings. Then Windows Update, or you can access it through here. Check for updates, and once it's done checking, you will see if there are any updates, and then you restart your PC, restart the Concord game, and it should work. But if this does not work, we have another option. We will go to advanced options and optional updates. For now, there are none, but then sometimes you see driver updates in optional updates. Your second option is to go to device manager. You can access that by searching or through the run dialog app. So Windows R, and let's go ahead. To open it from run, you can type dev mg, sorry, it's all caps, dev mgmt for device management .msc. This should open your device manager. You go to display adapters here, double click or press this arrow to open it. You see your different graphics drivers. Because this PC is low end, we only have an integrated graphics card here. So you can update driver. Once that's done, you can restart the game Concord or restart your PC. Or restart your PC first, then restart Concord. Then it should work. If that is not the solution you're looking for, the third solution is to download the driver directly from the site of your graphics card manufacturer. So in case your graphics card is NVIDIA, you have to go to the NVIDIA site. Open any browser of your choice, then search NVIDIA drivers. This is the site. I should say download the official NVIDIA drivers. Fill this form, put in your graphics card details, find, and you would be able to download the driver. Now, in case you're using an AMD driver, an AMD graphics card, you can search AMD support, download drivers, and you click on this site. And you can download various drivers for Windows or Linux. Now, if you're using Intel, even if it's integrated or the dedicated Intel ARC, you can search Intel Download Center. Then you go to the website, download Intel drivers and software. Then you can search for drivers and software. You can go to graphics and filter, search the name of your graphics card, and you'll be able to find the right driver for it. After it's downloaded, you can restart your PC, restart the game again, and your problem should be solved. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.